Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create a free landing page website with Midjourney AI, ChatGPT, and Canva. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Let's say we have a cooking item to promote. First thing you can do is to head over to Midjourney AI. Then, you can join for beta or sign in if you already have an account. Next is to go to Midjourney server and start creating your art. You can enter any newbie chat room. You can see others here creating their own art. If you scroll in this content, you can see a lot of text prompt. And to create your own website art, you can type /imagine, then click on command and type /imagine, and like for example a beautiful website for a kitchen utensils. Then you can click enter and wait for the Midjourney AI to generate the image or visuals. And you can choose one out of 4 samples, but in case you don't like any of the 4, you can simply click on generate again or changing a few keywords. Then, after choosing image or visuals, it is time to write the script. You can go to OpenAI or ChatGPT. Introducing ChatGPT, we've trained a model called ChatGPT which interacts in a conversational way. The dialogue format makes it possible for ChatGPT to answer follow-up questions, admit its mistakes, challenge incorrect premises, and reject inappropriate requests. You can click on Try ChatGPT to start the conversation. Now, let's try to create our script. Let's try to ask ChatGPT to write a landing page website copy for the sales of high-quality kitchen utensils. And let's wait for ChatGPT to generate the script. You can now see the detailed script here that you can use on your landing page website. It is very detailed and organized. We can also ask ChatGPT to include some text for the hero section, product description, and call to action. Then, it will give you the hero section like Welcome to Kitchen Essentials, the product description, and the call to action. But before we proceed, a landing page website is a standalone web page that is created especially for a marketing or advertising campaign. Its purpose is to capture the attention of visitors and persuade them to take a specific action, such as making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, filling out a form, or downloading a resource. Unlike typical websites that have multiple pages and a broader range of content, a landing page website is usually focused on a single object. It eliminates distractions and provides a concise and compelling message to encourage visitors to convert. And here are some key features of a landing page website. First is the single focus. A landing page focuses on promoting a particular product, service, or offer. It emphasizes the unique selling points and benefits of the offering to capture the visitor's interest. Second, call to action or CTA. A landing page prominently displays a clear and persuasive call to action. It directs visitors toward the desired action, such as buy now, sign up, or download now. Third, minimal navigation. Landing pages often have minimal navigation options to prevent visitors from navigating away and keep them focused on the main objective. This will help eliminate distractions and increases the likelihood of conversion. Fourth, compelling content. The content on the landing page is designed to be persuasive and engaging. It typically includes a compelling headline, concise and persuasive copy, and visually appealing elements like images or videos. Fifth, lead capture forms. Landing pages often include lead capture forms where visitors can provide their contact information in exchange for a valuable offer, such as an ebook, white paper, or discount code. These forms help in collecting leads for future marketing efforts. And lastly, tracking and analytics. Landing pages are frequently integrated with analytics tools to track visitors' behavior, conversion rates, and other metrics. This data helps marketers analyze the performance of the landing page and optimize it for better results. Landing page websites are commonly used in online advertising campaigns, email marketing, social media promotions, and other digital marketing strategies. They are designed to maximize conversions by delivering a focused and persuasive message to the target audience. Now, let's finish our landing page website. You can go to your Canva application, then look for Portfolio Website. You can see the sample landing page website here, or you can start with a blank page. Now, we have this sample design here, and we only have to edit this a little bit. Let us change this picture here, expand it a little bit on the left side. Let us also change this text here. Copy the script on ChatGPT and then paste it on Canva. Let's try it again. Let's copy this, unleash your culinary creativity, and then paste it on Canva. Then, let's click on yellow text here and change it into visit our shop now. Arrange it a little bit. And then if you're done, you can now click on save image. Preparing your design. And there you have successfully created your landing page website. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next video.